Hi, thanks for visiting www.luscombemotors.co.uk, and Luscombe Suzuki Leeds is proud to present this lovely Suzuki Vitara KURO on an 18 plate up for sale. The car's finished off in superior white, and as you can see, as part of the KURO pack, you've got the black trim round about the front fog lights. You're moving around to the side of the car. Again, it's all in good condition. Part of the KURO pack as well, you've got your black alloy wheels, and you've got your black trim along the bottom of the doors. So look at the back of the car. One way you can tell it's a KURO is it's got the KURO symbol, which is a Japanese symbol on the car. But again, it's all finished off in the polar white. Right, if you go inside the boot itself, you'll find it quite spacious and cavernous, and you've also got a false floor, which you can either store stuff underneath, or you can move the floor down at the bottom for you as well. So going around the car has got a full service history on it, but it will also come with a fresh service for you, and we'll also put a fresh MOT on the car as well. Let's take a look inside the car and we'll go through some of the technology for you. So looking at your dashboard, you've got your analog displays, you've also got your digital display in the middle, you've got a button here which when pressed it will go through your various different options on your digital display for you. Pulling out, you've got your automatic lights, you've got your wipers, and then pull it further, you've got your control for your media player on this side of the steering wheel, you've got cruise control, speed limiter, etc. on this one, and then underneath you've got your Bluetooth controls for working your telephone, etc. So moving to the centre of the screen, you've got your touchscreen, which is very intuitive. If you press on the bit you want to be at, it'll take you to where you want to go. Press it on, it gives you your various options, whether it be media or you've got your DAB, FM radio there as well for you. You've got your home page, which will take you back there. Once you've connected up your phone, you can Bluetooth everything through that bit. You've got your Android, your Apple CarPlay, which is situated in this one as well. Which you connect it up, it will automatically connect up for you. And then you've got your built-in sat nav there as well, which is very easy to use. Press a little checker flag, press for the address where you want to go to, type in your postcode, press OK, and then just press your little route, and it automatically sets the route up for you.
The route has been calculated. Please drive onto a digitized road.
As well as visual, you've also got audio prompts as well for you, so it will make your journey a little bit easier for you too. Underneath you've got your climate control, which you've got heat one side, you've got your flow on the other side, and then directions, etc. underneath. Also, as part of the KURO, you've got an analog clock in the middle of the dashboard as well for you. So that's the car. I hope you like the car. Please take time to visit www.luscombemotors.co.uk, where you can view the car on site there as well. There's also a technician's appraisal video which shows you the parts of the car you don't normally see in the forecourt, like the condition of the brakes, condition of the suspension, condition of batteries, condition of the ECU, etc. etc. We'll go through a very detailed video and show you so you can buy in absolute confidence. As I said before, the car will come with a full year's MOT on the car, and you'll have a full service on the car as well. So thanks very much for taking time to look at the video. If you do have any questions, please contact myself or one of my colleagues at Luscombe Suzuki in Leeds. Thank you very much.